Welcome everybody to our 2020 Nursing Superheroes Awards. We're very happy to be here and be able to honor all our nurses throughout LAC+USC. It's a great opportunity for us to take a breath and look at the nursing practice and all the amazing work that our nurses do every single day. This event is a little different because social distancing, and we've taken all the precautions necessary to make sure that we follow all our rules. And so it's limited seating in here and all the rules, but we wanted to make sure that we were able to reach everyone throughout LAC+USC. So with that, I want to talk a little bit, 1 minute I think I have, about nursing and the practice of nursing. Very often, people say, I didn't realize what a nurse's job was until I was hospitalized or my most precious loved one is hospitalized. Even though they worked in the healthcare field, knowing what a nurse does is not the vital signs, not the procedure, not the treatment. That is part of what we do, but that's not the major role. The major role of the nurse is being there for her patient and caring for them, and being there compassionate, supporting them through this journey in hospitalization and disease. And the reward we get is seeing our patients get better, or at least supporting them and their family through that journey. And I must say, every day when I walk the floors, I am in awe of the amazing nurses we have here at LAC. The letters we get from the patients and their family appreciating the work and acts of kindness of our staff are numerous and come in daily. So this is a minute to take and celebrate the work that you do every single day for our patients and who you are as a nurse. So thank you, each one of you who work here at LAC+USC. And we also are here to recognize the role models that were selected from the different services that exemplify the role of the nurse at different levels and different categories that have been selected by you. So with that, I'll introduce Mr. Orozco. Sorry, infection control. We cannot pass a mic.
Good morning, Med Center. You can't tell, but behind this mask, I am smiling from ear to ear with such pride and joy to be able to appreciate our nurses. Our nurses are the heart and soul of our medical center, and today is a special day where we recognize amazing nurses. Especially during this time of the pandemic, have really seen how critical, how important, how amazing our nursing staff has been. They have been flexible, they have been courageous, they have been brave. They truly are superheroes here at the Med Center. And I want to congratulate all of you. I want to congratulate all of the nominees for this award. You are all very, very, very special. I also want to recognize your superhero leader, Isabel Milan, who is just such a joy to work with and a fierce, fierce, fierce advocate for our patients. And many times that translates to what nursing needs, what nursing wants, what nursing deserves. So you all need to know that you have an amazing leader in your department. So with that, I'll...
The opportunity for us to recognize the doctors. We fritter in the room for a few minutes and pontificate Now we go to the computer and type some stuff in, and then we're gone. And you're still there with the patient, holding the fort down. So this day each year is my opportunity on behalf of all of the physicians in the hospital to say, I'm really sorry for everything we did. And every time we made you mad, which I'm sure was a lot, I'm really sorry. We love you all. And the amazing thing is that you not only put up with us, but you seem to love us too. So it works great. This year, the Attending Staff Association, which is the medical staff of the hospital, asked me to read the following statement to show you how much all the physicians here love and appreciate our nursing colleagues. The Attending Staff Association would like to share in the celebration and recognition of Nurses Week. The minds, healing hands, and hearts of nurses bring comforting care at times of greatest need. The members of the attending staff are forever appreciative of your daily giving on behalf of our patients and their better health. Thank you, stay safe, and congratulations.
Great. With that, we will start our ceremony and recognition. And right before I start, there's a couple of special things I need to do. One is CARES. CARES supports the nursing department all year round and enables us to recognize our nurses. Our EVS, our facilities management, Morrison's, Connie Castro and her PIO team, our information technology system, Annie Trinati, who's here back with us, and most particularly who helped put this event together is our nurse retention and committee that is shared by Jam and Ria, and their team has done an enormous work with this event and all the events year round. So I want to thank them for that work. So with that, we'll get started. Nominees and the category of nursing attendant. So our first nominee is Dina Alarcon, nursing attendant, who works. Go back. Okay. Our first nominee is Dina Alarcon, nursing attendant from 5D Burn Unit. Congratulations. Then we have Tirmo Ba, our nursing attendant from B5C, which is our OR. Congratulations. Next we have Maria Galvan, nursing attendant from EDOA and SOU. Next we have Zina Bia Taylor, who is from our safe patient handling. And next we have Rose Turkson, nursing attendant from our GI special procedure. And the winner is sealed envelope. Zenobia Taylor.
Congratulations. This is yours, and then there's a plaque.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And your manager's here, and she'll say a few words. Jan will pass her the mic.
Good morning, Zenobia. Virtual kisses and hugs. You just have your team, the LIFT team, wanted to present you with a few gifts. And they have many more back in the unit for you. Thank you. Okay, just a little bit about the Zenobia. Superheroes are often described as humble, patient, selfless, responsible, and courageous. All of these traits can be used to describe Zenobia. When tasked, she never complains, only approaches each aspect of her life in a steadfast and diligent manner. While normally reserved, she arises confidently in the face of conflict, which in our profession is a daily occurrence. Tactfully, she ensures our safe patient handling procedures and regulations are upheld and always prioritizes a patient's comfort. I find honor in working with a spirited nurse like Zenobia Taylor. Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Zenobia. Congratulations. Okay, in our next category is a surgical tech, and the winner is yeah. Oh, okay. Marshall Dotson. You can collect your award and your certificate, and your manager is coming down the hall. And Marshall, you can stand there, and Mary, you could stand at the other X and say a few words.
Hi, Marshall. Miss Dotson, we are so pleased and so excited that you have been nominated as the Surgical Technician Merit Award Winner of the Year. We are so happy that you're here. From day one, we knew that you were going to be special. All the time that you spent with your patients and helping your coworkers, it was obvious only good things were going to happen. We are so pleased that you are here. So thank you, congratulations, and keep on smiling, because I know there's a smile behind that mask.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Our next category is that of a CMA. And with that, the first person to be nominated. Okay. The winner is Santos Tecum.
Here's your certificate and your plaque.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, Santos, we are so happy and proud to have you part of our team. Santos is well loved by everyone in our clinics and the patients. He goes out of his way. Patients are always first. He jumps in when he doesn't ask just because he sees his co-workers needing help. He does not need to be asked for this. But we are so proud. He takes every opportunity to learn. And he is a CMA right now, but soon in a few weeks he will be an RN. We are so very, very proud of him. Thank you for being part of our team.
Thank you and congratulations. The next category is that of our clerical staff, which is really critical for the operations on the unit, keeping everyone informed of the messages, nurse calls, entering information for our patients, and keeping us all in line. The first person is Lorena Conchuela. Next person is Yolanda Conchuela from 4D4M. Next person is Claudia Flores from 7D. Next person is Mary Marshall from our OBGYN clinic. The winner is Mary Marshall. Now, Mary Marshall probably has worked here 44 years.
44.
44 years.
Certificate. You can grab your certificate.
Good morning, everybody. Mary Marshall began her county career in January of 1976 as a certified nursing attendant at Women's and Children's Hospital. She worked in different units in OB and GYN at Women's Hospital. In 1986, she promoted as an intermediate clerk and began working at Women's Emergency Room until she came to the new facility in 2008. Per Mary, having worked at Women's and Children's Hospital and then at the new facility for more than 4 decades, has been what she describes as being born here. Home, away from home. One of the most memorable moments that she remembers working at Women's ER as a clerk was when a man came running into the emergency room, looking desperate, and asking her for help in broken English. The man said, my wife, as he pointed to the outside and asked Mary to come with him. She followed the man outside only to find a woman inside the car in active labor. Mary said that she stood there shaking her hands and encouraged the woman that she was going to be okay and that help was on the way. She said that by the time the doctors arrived, the baby had been born. Mary continued to encourage the new mom, and she was stating that she was going to be okay. The doctors praised Mary for her encouragement and for quick response to the new parents. I've had the privilege of working with Mary for the last 3 years in the GYN clinic. Mary has been a pleasure to work with. Her enthusiasm and cheerful attitude makes others feel welcome and good to be around. Mary promotes teamwork in the unit as she encourages others to work together for a common goal, which is to take care of our patients. Last year, Mary was recognized for being key in getting the GYN clinic to enroll the most patients for the patient portal in all of our specialty clinics, as she encouraged patients and taught patients how to sign up for the portal. Mary has been a valuable member of the Patient Privacy Council since last year. She is good at contributing new ideas and new ways to comply with patient privacy and HIPAA standards in all of our ambulatory care clinics. With this, I'd like to congratulate Ms. Mary Marshall and recognize her as a valuable member of the GYN and obstetric ambulatory care clinics. With this, I thank you, Mary, for being part of my life the last 3 years.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Mary. 44 years. That is commitment. In our next category of LVNs, well, the winner is McDonald Dett from Radiology Oncology Clinic. So Donald, congratulations. You can pick up your award.
Donald, today we celebrate you. Not only do you excel in the clinic, but when there's an opportunity that arises to benefit the organization as a whole, such as the employee flu vaccine fair event, doing a flu vaccine skills validation, high-level disinfection, or hand-washing competencies, you sign up. When regulatory agencies show up, and they always do, you always position yourself to be available to whichever surveyor comes our way. We watch you magically turn into the suave, debonair gentleman that's ready to answer any question. You're our superhero.
Congratulations. In our next category of advanced practice, we're very fortunate to have today with us our nominees, which is Maria Kaucharla. Next, we have Douglas McCullum from our neurosurgery. And next we have Ann Carla Salvador from our GI and special procedures. Next we have Deborah Wallace, who is from our plastic surgery department. The winner is forgot. I'm like, where's the name? Sorry, I'm falling down on the job. Deborah Wallace.
Anyone who works with the plastic surgery service wouldn't be surprised that Debbie won this award. We wish we could give Debbie an award every day. I can personally say she's taught me everything I know, and ironically enough, she's taught my boss everything he knows. So Debbie's really helped the ship in the storm of coronavirus, and I was impressed about how much she's taking care of our patients during this difficult time. And just one story is we have a sick patient in the ICU that we did a complicated reconstruction, and Debbie's been talking to his wife every day and really helping the family get through this. And we didn't even know she was doing it, and that's the beauty of Debbie. She teaches us how to be better clinicians. So Debbie, we all love you.
Congratulations, Debbie. So our next category is our registered nurses and the registered nurses for the year. Our first nominee is Sonia Estrada RN from 3C. Our next nominee is Marine Gisalian RN from our 3B GYN clinic. Our next one is Priyanka Morgan Magera. Our next one is Jolene Perez from 4B, our MICU. Our next nominee is Peter Spalding from 6A, MedSurg. Meglena Vasileva, thank you. And she is from our 7C MedSurg unit. Next, we have Maria Andrea Vicente from our OR. And the winner is Maria Andrea Vicente.
Here's your.
That's crazy.
Hello, everyone. I've been working with Andrea for a long time. She's always very helpful. She's very reliable. She always able to complete her task on time. And she always has a smile on her face, even when she's under stress. And I would like to share with you what her coworkers has to say about her. Real quick, I don't have 1 minute. Andrea is always kind-hearted, professional, and easygoing. Andy is compassionate, kind, and the sweetest person you will ever meet. She is always willing to answer any questions you may have and is always ready to help you. Andy is kind, she listens without judgment, and she's a great leader. Andy is such an amazing person. As a new OR nurse, she is very attentive to ensure I am learning while testing my knowledge to confirm that understanding is achieved. Thanks for all you do. Andy has been an instrumental piece in our team, providing great leadership by empowering others, inspiring others to dream more, learn more, and become more. Thank you, Andy, for leading and challenging us all to be the better versions of ourselves compared to yesterday. In general, Andy is caring, kind, warm, patient, good-hearted, compassionate, responsible, generous, and has empathy. She is creative and eager to conquer new tasks. She is a team player, a hard worker, easy to get along with, and pleasant to work with. She is supportive, trustworthy, knowledgeable, a great advisor, a great leader, an excellent communicator, and an excellent educator. Last but not the least, Andy always volunteers to coordinate our functions. Andy, we thank you, we appreciate you, we honor you. We are very proud of you. You deserve to be the Nurse of the Year. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh my goodness. What a big, big honor. I'm extremely surprised, shocked, but extremely proud. I want to thank the whole LAC+USC County Hospital. I cannot be more proud to be a nurse today. During this trying times, very unprecedented and trying times of ours right now, I can't be more proud to be a nurse. The world is seeing now what nursing is all about, our compassion, our empathy, our knowledge, and how we care for our patients. All over the world, nurses are being honored this week. So I'm proud of all the nurses in the world, especially LAC+USC County nurses, and the perioperative team, of course. Thank you so very much.
Congratulations, congratulations. Really, congratulations to everybody who's here today, because I feel that there's no better or greater nurse than the nurses we have here. And like that sign says, through these doors walk the greatest nurses in the world. And I feel that every single day. It's what I see. And so even being selected by the greatest nurses to be here today is an honor, I know. And so I just want to congratulate all of you for what you do every single day. Thank you so much. So with that, you're going to get a little glass, and so is Dr. Spellberg. You're getting a little glass. It's apple cider, Mr. Orozco. We're not drinking on the job. But we wanted to celebrate all the nurses on the floor and celebrate you and congratulate you. And so with that toast, does everybody have a glass? Thank you. Just really want to say, Mike, okay. All right, just want to say congratulations to all of nursing. It's most especially in my heart, of course, is the nurses from LAC+USC Medical Center. And so, what do we say? Yeah. Here, let's do it again. What do we say? Right, LAC+USC Nursing Heroes. So congratulations to all of you and all the people watching us. This is a great event in honor of all of you. Thank you.